Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Thursday, January 6th. Today I have a few different things to share with you. The first is these two pieces that have come in. They're called Nightfall from Cotton and Steel. It's actually recolored previous prints from the Cotton and Steel designers. And this one actually has a little bit of gold on it, which is pretty fun. But these are all in the black and white scheme, and I really loved this print, which is why we have it here now. So those are the two new fabrics that we have to share with you today. We wanted to share this beautiful sample quilt that was made using Modern Love, which I showed you last week, and I said soon we would have the sample quilt for this ready, and here it is, quilted by our very own long arm team and bound by them too, so big thanks to them. This will be a kit that we will have available for pre-order later today on our website, and then the kits are being cut today as well. So we will have them available in the shop this afternoon or online or curbside, and then we'll also have them with us at the Quilting and Fiber Arts Marketplace show that we will be vending at in Sanford, North Carolina next weekend. So again, this is Modern Love by Northcott. This pattern is called Grand Central, and the kit will include the pattern as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful quilt. Next up, we have a few new patterns, which I've just pinned up over here for you. These first ones are done in wool. They're by Buttermilk Basin. This is a little mat, and it is 17 inches round. Like I usually say, wool is a great project to take with you if you're traveling or if you're somewhere else, because a lot of it is done, well, pretty much all of it is done by hand. This next one is called Spring Has Sprung, or I guess it might be called Chalk It Up. Who knows, but I'm going to call it Spring Has Sprung. It's 16 inches by 20 inches. That would be a fun project. I'm looking forward to a little bit warmer weather. Then down here we have Bloom Where You're Planted, 8 inches by 19 inches. So that's going to fit into a tiny wall space wherever you have room. I love the detail there. Look at that little butterfly, and we've got a little vine going around the M. Very cute. And this is a teensy tiny. This is called Easter Chick Basket, and it is 9 inches by 11, almost 12 inches. Next up, this is now we're switching gears, no more wool. This is Fiberworks. This is Laura Heine. So this is one of her tiny, tiny patterns, like that little pig pattern that I showed you and I did a sample of a couple weeks ago. This is the Whatever's number 32 Ladybug, and that would be really fun to embellish. I think you could have a lot of fun with that. Down below, we have the butterfly quilt, which is using Tula Pink's fabrics, and I believe it's also a Tula Pink pattern. It's gigantic. It finishes at about 80 something by about 90 something. That would be one of those projects that you start and maybe don't finish this weekend, but still a fun one to think about. And then over here we have another Laura Heine. This looks big. It's really not. It's about 12 inches by about 24 inches. So again, a nice small one that you could stick in a little space in your kitchen. I love that splash and the dots coming up from the background. And I love the background too. That's really pretty. So just some good inspiration for you if you're just looking for a new small project or a new big project like that butterfly quilt. Something to get you going in the new year. I hope you have a great afternoon. Tomorrow we'll be back here in our meeting center, and I'll be showing you the quilts that were entered for the Otter Challenge and showing you who won. So if you entered a quilt in the Otter Challenge, you're going to want to tune in tomorrow. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.